It's a 2017 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automated parking sensors, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, V6 engine, heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, aluminum wheels, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection comments, "From the inside out is probably the way that Cadillac would want you to see the XTS, with a swoopier look, softer details, and plenty of smooth contouring inside, contrasting with beveled, tightly fitted metallic trim pieces. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Hurry in today and see it for yourself."